Hi everyone! So this is our FireAlert web system and I'll show you how it works. First, we will input the valid credentials such as the email and password to log in. After logging in, we can see here the waypoint maps, incident reports, and photo of the incident reports. The incident reports comes from our developed mobile application that is utilized by the Android application users. So here, we have the mobile application where the user have to allow permissions. After that, they have to input their mobile number and they will receive an OTP code which will be used to verify the authenticity of the inputted mobile number. They will be redirected to the profile information page and input their first name, last name, address, and email. The user must also read and accept the Terms and Agreement and the Data Privacy Act before saving. They also have to take a photo of their identification cards. All the processes shown are for those people who doesn't have an account yet. After that, they will be then redirected to the home page. To send an incident report, the user will add a comment. It could be a note for the authorities and then they will take a photo of the fire occurrence. The user will then be allowed to pin the location of the incident. So going back here to our web system, we can see here that the submitted report from the mobile app is already added in the incident reports. We can also see here that the default location of the waypoint maps shows the current location of the user. Incident report is also here in color red. Red is for those reports that are still active and gray is for the false reports detected. So in the false reports, we can see that there are 4 existing reports that are in gray color in the history page. The history page also has a sorting feature. In this page, we only have buttons from January 2024 and from Sampaloc, since those are the only existing reports yet. We can also view here the submitted image by clicking the View Image button. So let's try to configure a report from the false reports page. For example, we can use this report and it shows the occurrence of fire and the system redirected it to the false reports page. The web user can decide whether they will add it to the incident report or not. In this case, let's try to mark it as fire detected. Going back to the feed, we can see that the report is added to the incident reports. When we hover the incident report, the photo will show on the right side of the screen. And when we click here in the incident report, the waypoint map will move to the submitted location. The user can zoom in or zoom out in the waypoint maps. If the user clicks the reset map, the location will go back to the user's current location. Let's configure the submitted report from the mobile app earlier. The user can edit the fire alarm level, type of fire, and tapping of alarm. This time, we will not yet mark it as fire out, and we can see here in the history page that the fire alarm level and the tapping of alarm is already updated. It is still in color red since it is not marked as fire out yet. This time, let's say that the incident reached second alarm and with high density population, and mark it as fire out. We can see here that the details are updated and it changed into color white, which indicates that the report is already fire out. The report is also removed from the feed. That will be all. Thanks for watching.